What's up, guys? It is Alicia Jones back with a new video, and as y'all can see from the title, I'm here today with a review for you guys. And in today's video I will be talking about Freetress Cocoa Curl. Okay, so I was going to go get Presto Curl at the beauty supply, and I saw this. Now, Presto Curl I tried 4 years ago. It was one of my favorite crochet hairs aside from Go-Go Curl by Freetress. Favorite crochet hairs, I gotta say, Beach Curl, Go-Go Curl, Presto Curl. I love those hairs. Okay, so I saw this at my local beauty supply, and I was like, okay, you know, it's kind of giving me Presto Curl vibes. So you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and check this out. So I got 6 packs from my local beauty supply, $5.99 a pack in the color number 2. And I only ended up using 4.5 packs. I do this whole 6-pack thing where I get 6 packs, and I do that so I don't have to run to the beauty supply. When I first started doing crochet hairstyles, I would always get like 5 packs, and I end up having to run to the store and get another one. But with Freetress, I don't think I end up using all 6 packs. They have got to be putting a lot of hair in here. So yeah, Freetress is one of my favorite crochet hair brands. Okay, so this is the packaging. That is the fresh curl, because I've been wearing this hair for 3 weeks now. 3 weeks. But this is the fresh curl. This is what it looks like. And they put this hair on like this little rope like that. All right, so now I have got to be honest with you guys. With this particular crochet hair, I wanted to try something different and see if the outcome was going to be different. Now what I did was I didn't put no product on this hair at all. Okay, usually what I do is I follow up when I'm done with the style. I follow up with either Lotta Body or my favorite Cream of Nature mousse. I didn't use either one. Okay, this is a first for me for not putting any product on the hair at all. The only thing that I went in and did was moisturize my scalp. That's it. But as far as putting mousse, my every other night routine, twisting it up, I did not do that. So I wanted to see what type of outcome that was gonna have, and I think it did have just a little bit of a different outcome, because my hair, it's not really bad, but you know, it's a little bit more frizzier than I would like. So what I did, and I'm just being honest, you know, we cool, we cool, right? So what I did, I didn't put no product on it. I didn't twist it up. I didn't do my routine. You know what I'm saying? That's my routine. I didn't do that. So I did sleep in a bonnet every single night though. My silk extra large bonnet, I did do that. And all I did was I just put it in a ponytail and flipped the hair up. Can y'all see that? I flipped the hair up and put the bonnet over it that way. And it saved me a lot of time. Okay, it saved me a lot of time. But I feel like if I would have twisted it up and put that mousse on there, it probably could have prolonged the hair. And I know y'all probably like, girl, it's synthetic hair, it probably was gonna get frizzy anyway. But I noticed when I do that routine, depending on the type of the hair and the brand, my hair, it lasts just a little bit longer. Now y'all know, right before I'm about to take out my hair, I always gotta come on here and let you guys know if it's worth y'all coin. Freetress. I have yet to try a hair that I was kind of like I tried the kinky Brazilian braid, and that hair, I really like that hair. The only issue with me that I had, the only issue I had for me with that hair was that the strands were so damn little, and it made installing the crochet hair so much more tedious. You know what I'm saying? So that hair, because of the times when I do hairstyles, I like to get through it. I don't like to spend too much time doing my hair. So probably with that hair, I might not try that again because it just was so time consuming because the strand was so darn tiny. This hair, $5.99. I bought 6 packs. This hairstyle, it could last me another 2 weeks, but I'm about to take it down. My edges is looking a little rough. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like that more natural look, and I can't have that natural look if my hair looking all hot and my edges is not. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to take them down. But I love this hair. I could get another, I'm at 3 weeks. I can get another 2 weeks out of this hair too. 1 more week. 6 weeks might be pushing it a little bit. It'll probably be at its frizziest by then. But I'ma say you could get a good 4 or 5 weeks out of this hair. So yeah. This hair would definitely be worth your coin. So I'ma say I spent less than $40 for this hair. $40. Yeah, I spent less than $40 for this hair. I'm going to probably be trying to Freetress hair next. Y'all gotta let me know what kind of crochet hairs y'all want me to try, because when I go to the store, I'm gonna tell you, when I go to the store and I look for another crochet hair to try, because I'm trying to try a different one every single time. My boo say that he cannot go to the beauty supply with me because it takes me, it's literally, for me, it's like a science. When I go to the beauty supply, it literally, I could be up in that mug for probably 2 or 3 hours. For real, I'm not even kidding. I look at the hair, I feel it, I like look and see like the curls, how much packs I'm gonna be using. I look at all of that, and I just, you know, I study the hair before I buy, because I want it to be a good hair. I want it to last a long time. Now with this hair, I got caught in the rain with this hair. I was going to dinner one night and it just started raining, and my hair got wet. It didn't get like drenched, but it got wet, and I worked out in this hair. So I'm trying to get slim and tight, you know. I ain't trying to get all extra skinty, but I worked out in this hair. So yeah, I have yet to swim in some crochet hair. So as y'all know, Leah Levine, that is the guru of crochet braids. So if you want to know what it would be like to swim with crochet hair, y'all gotta go check her out. I'll link her channel below. But yes, she is popping in the crochet world, okay? So, but yeah, you want to know what it's like to swim, go to the beach, get your hair wet in the ocean, all that, y'all gotta go check her out. But worked out in this hair, got caught in the rain in this hair, have not put any product on this hair. I feel like I need to try this hair again and just see what if the outcome will be different if I put the mousse on there and then twisted it up every night. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but I mean, it's still full. I would say this hair was very long. I cut this hair, so I'm gonna say it probably came about right there, like a little bit under my boob. You gotta go check the video out to go see it, my install video. I'll link that. But yeah, I cut the hair. I had to cut it. It was a little bit too long for my liking. Y'all know it's getting hot now. But install. Let's get to the install. The install, super duper easy, okay? I have 2 crochet needles. I have a smaller one and a bigger one, and the bigger ones I particularly use for like my pre-looped hair or braids or something like that. The smaller one I use for the smaller hairs, and it fit on there perfectly. It slid through perfectly. I didn't have any issues with the install. Now for as far as tying the knots, I tied those about 4 to 5 times so it can stay on there, because you don't want the hair slipping and sliding up off that braid. And tying it 4 or 5 times, y'all, it has not come unloose. It's on there, it's tight, and it's secure. So if you plan on installing this cocoa curl, I would suggest that you knot the hair 4 to 5 times, and I used 4.5 packs, which was more than enough. Now I probably could have used all of that if I would have went in and found some spaces, but yeah, for this particular hair and this curl, I would recommend that you do the straight back braiding method. And I don't know, I said it because I feel like you could see like some of the braids or something like that. I don't know, y'all let me know if y'all can see them. But now I used to go back with the straight back braid method, but because I be in so much of a hurry, I do like 8 to 10 braids in the front, and then I stop here and I do like the zigzag method. So I do like a zigzag method, whatever you want to call it, but I do that. And I would recommend just doing a straight back method for this. I will be trying this hair again. Now Freetress, I noticed they have gotten better with a lot more of the colors. What they have started to do is they come in with that dark root, which is so perfect for a more natural look. I was going to get that hair at first and I chickened out at the last minute. Like I got 6 packs, put them all in my bath, and I was like, okay, no, I'll put it back, you know. So don't be afraid to try color, don't be afraid. But yeah, y'all, I hope this was really informative for you guys, because Freetress is one of my favorite brands. But for the next one, I'm going to move on to Lulutress and check out Lulutress and see what Lulutress is about. I tried Lulutress, I believe Bohemian, and I wasn't really feeling it like that. So I'm gonna go try another one and see how different that's gonna be working out for me. So y'all stay tuned for that video. So y'all, this hair, it hasn't gotten any shorter. Y'all notice how like some hairs it like shrink up and stuff like that. The noise y'all hear in the background, that is my 3-year-old. So don't worry, no one's dying. It's just her screaming and playing with her older siblings. But y'all know how some synthetic hairs, they like shrink up or whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But this hair, I mean, it still stays the length. The only thing was that I cut it. But look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all, I love Freetress hair. And y'all know nobody sends me hair. I mean, I have gotten hair sent in the past, but when I come on here and do these videos, nobody paying me to say this. Ain't nobody sent me no hair. So y'all gonna get an honest review, okay? It ain't gonna be like, no, girl, this hair, it is the best hair ever. No, y'all not gonna get that, because, and even if I got sent the hair, I can't even come on here and be like, it's the best hair. It was sent to me. I'm getting paid to say this to you guys. It's the best hair ever. I can't say that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a lie. You know, like, and you know those companies, they be telling you, we want you to give us a good review, we're gonna do this for you, we're gonna do that for you. It ain't like that over here, okay? Sis, right here, I'm paying for my own hair with my own coin. And nobody sent me this hair, okay? I have yet to buy crochet hair online. It's one that's really out there, that's really popping. I think it's hair from England. I forgot the hair. Trendy Tresses. I have yet to try Trendy Tresses, but I'm really wanting to try. The only thing is I'm really impatient. So I'm like, if I want to try some hair, I want to try it now. I just want to go to my beauty supply and I want to go pick it up. I don't want to wait for it to be shipped to me. I'm hella impatient. You gotta ask the boo. He be like, you are so impatient. But yeah, you guys, so let me know if y'all got any questions about this hair. I will see y'all in the next video for this hair for me. Like, look at that. Yes, I would recommend Freetress Cocoa Curl, okay? And they have different lengths and stuff. This length, I would probably say it was like a 20 or 22, and I probably chopped it down to an 18-inch. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button down below. Push them notifications so you guys can get notified of a video when I upload it. I got a giveaway coming soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.